Why doesn't a Python dict.update return the object? I am trying to do. But it felt really cumbersome in the function, and I would have rather done. Why doesn't update return the object so you can chain? jQuery does this to do chaining. Why isn't it acceptable in Python?
Python's mostly implementing a pragmatically tinged flavor of command query separation. Mutators return none, with pragmatically induced exceptions such as pop, so they can't possibly be confused with accessors, and in the same vein, assignment is not an expression, the statement expression separation is there, and so forth. That doesn't mean there aren't a lot of ways to merge things up when you really want. For example, dict _dict makes a new dict much like the one you appear to wish.update returned. So why not use that if you really feel it's important? Edit, BTW, no need, in your specific case, to create along the way, either. Creates a single dict with exactly the same semantics as your .update _dict, including, in case of conflicts, the fact that entries in _dict override those you're giving explicitly, to get the other semantics, i.e., to have explicit entries winning such conflicts, pass _dict as the sole positional arg, before the keyword ones, and bereft of the form, dict _dict, name equals name etc. etc.
Python's API, by convention, distinguishes between procedures and functions. Functions compute new values out of their parameters, including any target object. Procedures modify objects and don't return anything, i.e. they return none. So procedures have side effects, functions don't. Update is a procedure, hence it doesn't return a value. The motivation for doing it that way is that otherwise, you may get undesirable side effects. Consider: if reverse, which reverses the list in place, would also return the list, users may think that reverse returns a new list which gets assigned to bar, and never notice that foo also gets modified. By making reverse return none, they immediately recognize that bar is not the result of the reversal, and will look more close what the effect of reverse is.
This is easy as. Or, if it is important not to modify the dictionary.
Not enough reputation for comment left on top answer. At Beard, this doesn't seem to be Python thing. Pyb gives me type error, keywords must be strings. The solution with quargs only works because the dictionary to be merged only has keys of type string, i.e. versus.